Okay, part C asks you to verify that Z1 in these straight bars equals the square root of 13. Firstly, let's look at the instruction. Verify. It means to show that it is true. So we'll have to do some work to find out what Z1 in the two bars means. We have to show that the answer is the square root of 13. Now this is nice in a way in an exam because you know immediately if you've got it right or not. Now the first thing to do this correctly is you must recognize what those two straight bars mean. Okay, you see there's no words used. You need to be able to read the maths note, the math symbols, and the two straight bars in complex number refer to modulus. Okay, so that is something you need to know. Alright, now what is modulus? Well, at first it refers to the size of the complex number, or how far is the complex number away from 0, 0. So if I draw a line from 0, 0 to the complex number Z1, this is our modulus along the length of this straight line. Now, excuse my writing. Okay, that's Z1 bar. And just on a quick side note, how would you find the length of that line? Well, one possible way would be to use Pythagoras' theorem. Here I've created, with very jaggedy lines, a right angle triangle. The base of this right angle triangle is the real part A of Z1, and the height straight up is B, and the modulus would be the hypotenuse. Okay, we won't go into any more detail just now, but you might recognize the modulus formula when I write it here. So modulus for a complex number a plus bi, okay, its modulus, so the straight lines are the symbol for modulus, is given by the square root of the a squared plus the b squared. So you might recognize as that is a form of Pythagoras' theorem. Okay, so and that's what we're going to work with. This is something you should learn. Okay, it comes up year on year, so it's worth learning. Alright, so let's apply that now to our Z1. So just for myself, for clarity, I'm going to rewrite Z1. It was 2 plus 3i. Okay, and to calculate the modulus of Z1, I'm going to fill in the modulus formula. So my A in this case is 2, so it'll be 2 squared, and my B is 3. Okay, notice that I takes no part in this calculation, okay, because we're just looking at the length of lines, at the size of things. Okay, let's work that out. 2 squared is 2 by 2, which is 4, and 3 squared is 3 by 3, which is 9. We'll have to keep that square root. So square root of 4 plus 9 is equal to the square root of 13. So 4 plus 9 is 13. And glance up at your question there. It said verify that the modulus of Z1 is root 13, and we've just done that. Okay, let's have a quick look at the marking scheme. So part C is given 5 marks. Okay, and a partial credit of 2 out of 5 is given for any correct substitution into the formula. So always have a go.